Hi guys! Today I'm making a delicious red lentil curry that's perfect for a weeknight vegetarian meal. The recipe link is right below the video in the description section. We'll need split red lentils or masoor dal. You can find them in Indian stores and most grocery stores. For the spices, we'll need cumin seeds, ground turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala. This is ground fenugreek powder. These are the methi or fenugreek seeds. I just ground them up in my coffee grinder. If you don't have fenugreek, it's fine to leave it out. Chopped red onion, minced fresh ginger, minced garlic, chopped tomato. Now you can make the lentil curry by itself or add spinach. Use fresh or frozen spinach. Today I'm using frozen spinach. You can use another leafy green. If you're using fresh, just make sure they're chopped up. To cook with, use coconut oil, ghee, or vegetable oil. Put the lentils into a bowl. Cover with water. Move it around and pour out the cloudy water with any small bits floating on top. Do this 2 more times until the water is pretty clear. Bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Stir in the lentils when the water comes up to a boil. Cook until tender. These red lentils are one of the quickest cooking lentils. Skim the foam occasionally. In case you didn't know this tip, to prevent a pot from boiling over, put a wooden spoon on top. Heat up a pot, add the ghee or whatever oil you're using. When the ghee is hot, add cumin seeds. They'll sizzle and turn color in just a few seconds. Add the onion and ginger. A little bit of salt. Cook until soft. Add the garlic. Cook until golden. The lentils are cooking very quickly. In 10 minutes, it's almost already cooked. Everything's golden brown. Add the turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala. A big pinch of the fenugreek powder if you're using it. Just mix this for a few seconds. You don't want the spices to burn. There is enough ghee in the pan that the spices really won't burn. Add the tomatoes. Mix it all up. Now cover this and cook until the tomatoes are soft. Check and stir in between. The lentils are cooked and completely broken down. We can turn the heat off. That took just about 15 minutes. You can see they're nice and creamy. Mash the tomatoes a little bit. They're almost cooked. Another 2-3 minutes and they'll be done. The tomatoes are soft and the oil has separated, so this is done. Add the spinach, a little salt. Now if you're using frozen spinach and it wasn't thawed properly, you can cook this for just a minute. My spinach was thawing outside while I was cooking the lentils. I don't really need to cook this anymore. Spinach cooks very quickly, so I'll just add the lentils. A little salt. Add a mix. Taste and add salt if you need to. Lower the heat, cover, and simmer for about 5 minutes. It is so creamy and delicious. Squeeze a little bit of fresh lemon on top. Adds a little sourness and brightness. This is an optional last step. Heat up a little ghee or oil. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, Some red chilies. If you want the curry very spicy, break open the chilies. A little bit of garlic. Red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. This is not spicy, it's just for color. And some curry leaves. Pour it right over the dal. When you do this step, you add another layer of flavor with the curry leaves, chilies, and especially the garlic. The curry tastes great whether you do this step or not. Serve this curry over rice or with any type of bread. It is a complete meal because you have protein, vegetable, and carbs. These are fresh rotis that are packaged. You can find them in most Indian stores. Now a lot of the Indian stores have fresh made rotis. They have their own machines, which is pretty awesome. These usually come out a little bit thinner and obviously taste fresher than the packaged ones. I'll link my video below if you want to make these from scratch. It's not difficult at all. Obviously, it takes time to roll out and cook. And that's if you have the time. If you don't, these packaged rotis are just fine. You can also get fresh or frozen naan at Trader Joe's or at most grocery stores. A raw salad like this cucumber salad is a great addition if, like me, you're trying to eat more vegetables. The salad is easy to make while the lentils are cooking, and the whole meal is done in about 30 minutes. I hope you give this a try. It's really easy. If you're vegetarian, if you're vegan, you can just use coconut oil, and if you eat meat, this is perfect for a meatless Monday dinner. It's filling, so you're not going to be left hungry after a vegetarian meal. Subscribe for more easy recipes, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.